put comment, comment then kusiza kakhulu lokho. We can give it the next 15 minutes or so, that engagement, and then this is here. I understand bazalwane into esikhuluma ngayo ijule kakhulu futhi ke indaba lena inomsindo kakhulu ngoba ithinta isikompilo. Ithinta isikompilo, ithinta umthetho, ithinta style sempilo sokwenza izinto. So lezi zinto sigcina emotionally attached to them, ukuthi mazithinteka bese kubuka izinto phakathi kithi in an essence yokuthi futhi bazalwane enokwenzeka sinokuformulate i-self identity around these things. So uma iqaqa lento une feeling yokufila naked, uba ngazi ukuthi uqaqwe washiwa ungenani. Yeah, so yeah, so kusho ukuthi ke asiqhubekeni ke bazalwane si entertain imibuzo. Ngicela ke bazalwane okunye ake ngenze i-disclaimer, ngeke ngibe nempendulo zakho. Ngeke ngithi mangikhuluma nabazalwane ngithi ngisho iBhayibheli linokuthi sikhulume ngayo ngesiprophet ngayo. Yes. So whatever you can think it's so much, it's still in vain. Yeah. Mhlambe kukhona uNkulunkulu angibulayo ngalokho engikhulumayo. Nami ngizokhomenta engxenyeni yalokho uNkulunkulu akwembuleni. Futhi ningafili offended bazalwane ukuthi mhlambe umbuzo wakho angibanga nempendulo eziphelele kuwo. Ngoba bengikhuluma engxenyeni ngithi bazoba. So it's not an expert talking. Okay. Wona uNkulunkulu ujombulelwe ingxenye. Ngoba ingxenye bafowethu. So ngicela ke bafowethu ukuyivula ngiyise ngiyawusubona ke manje. Sizoba ngathi ngiyi-lecture. Sizongenza intellectual lecture. Yeah. So asivuleni ke bazalwane, ngicela ukuthatha izandla. Ukhona umzalwane onombuzo, akhona amakhehla lapha emumva. Ningasaba bafowethu siyaxoxa. There's nothing offensive. Siyakha. Baba. Yeah. Sikhona esinye before ngivula baba khona esinye isandla. Okay, asithathe. Baba lapha emumva. Thank you. Siyabonga.
Yeah, zo commenta bese ke kwanibuzo nje owodwa. Yeah, i-comment yami ithi njengoba kade usho ncwadi ukuthi ungathi ungephele lokho esikwenza ngisho njalo siyesabanga ngithi lapha ethi amadoda lebantu abafuna ukufunda ngathi ungifaki la nabe engithanda ukufunda wathi umunye umzalwane lapha elokali engidelela ke ongasekho naphakathi kwethu manje uthi ke wena baphakathi angeke ukhulume lutho ngoba mina nawe safunda indaba yebani. Kusho ukuthi ke siseclassini eyodwa mina nawe. Ngithi ke mina ke cha uqinisile ngoba namhla lokhu ngisafunda nabanye. Kusho ukuthi ukufunda kimi akupheli.
Yeah.
Makunezelwa abanye befundiswa angihlali ngithi lokho sengadlula kuyo.
Yeah.
Senzela ke ngisho nanothi ukhona mhlambi athi uyakwazi ekubona kungathi uchitha isikhathi ukuthi uzohlala into ayazi cha bafowethu uke uthi izwi ade ifundiswe lifunde namhlanje lona lelo kodwa lichaze into ehlukile izolo manje ke ngingakho uba kuyangathi khona amavesi bazalwane bekuthi asisawafundi ngoba sithi asesiyawazi kodwa sisalokhu siyawafunda namhlanje. Sahlezi siyaxoxa nje ukuthi okunye seshodina ke abadala le nto ayintsha le umncwangu ayifundisayo. Kade unothisha uZulu efundisa wayefundisa lezi zinto kodwa thina sifane nalamadoda ka-Israyeli athi noma ungakusho ukuthi ngeke sikwenze sizokwenza lokhu kwethu ngoba akusilimazi andike sisho singaqondi ngoba yonke into engeyona kumuntu umuntu ayenze iyamlimaza. Now ngibonga ke le usho ukuthi ababengekho last baphosa ingxenye enkulu kakhulu kodwa nginethemba ukuthi yophinde kwenzeke ukuthi leyo ngxenye baphosileyo abazalwane baphinde bayithole. Khona ke into umncwangu ekhulunywa uma benza lezi ewukade uzichaza lapha ukuthi spirit saseBhabhiloni size safika nakithi sisebandleni. Igama lithi mina angithi nje bathi ukukhuluma ngebhukeni la ube walinganisa ukuthi abanye babeyenza ukuthi bekhona umuthi awufaka umuthi kumhlanje uvikela lo mshado. Uzovela ke umncwangu omunye ethi cha mina understand kahle umzalwane akho sidingo ukuthi ngiyafaka imithi kodwa ngiyembona kungathi makushadwa isuke iphela noma ke songitshele enye yengxenye zokuthi bonke umuntu ofakwayo ungeke nichaze umncwangu ngokwezwi ukuthi lepheli ngokwezwi ishuthi irepresenta ini ukuveza nje ngezwi ukuze noma ngithi mina hayi into nje eculture yethu nesifundile ukuthi makushadwa kwi-list yezinto ezifunekayo emshadweni nayo iyafuneka nekheke yabo. Kodwa ke mina anginakho okunye engikwazi ngale kwalokho kodwa ngazi ukuthi ke engihlale ngiyibona yenzi. Kodwa ke manje uma usumchazisela ilanga uzo-understanda kahle kanti lento inkinga yami usuke ngenzile ngoba ngiyibonisa ngingayazi ngoba baningi abantu namhlanje abenza izinto hhayi ngoba bona bekade benakile noma kuyinhloso ukuthi bakhonze uNkulunkulu bemhlanganisa kodwa yikuthi abazi. Manje ke uma ke engazi into yenza ukuthi umuntu azi ukuthi ufundiswe lona lezi emkhanisa.
So I think you raised a very important point because what I've picked up umasifunda abazalwane ukuthi abazalwane kuba uyabona uma kusukuma uPetro sukuma ePentecost elanda ngoKristu alande ngegenealogy nangecebo lakhe kusuka endulo kuze kuzofika khona lapha azakhuluma khona ngoJoel chapter 2 athi lesi sithembiso senu nabantwana benu. Yabona ulanda nje indaba yakhe uthi bese ichaze kahle bese kube namagama aqhamuka kubazalwana manje I think it's a quite similar sinayo evelayo ukuthi njalo uma kuvezwa izinto kuyavela lokho ukuthi so pho manje madoda bazalwane you know bazalwane ngathi irresponsibility yami ukukhanyisa mhlambe to enlighten ngezinto ezi-operator sibhekile kodwa singaboni, sibona ngamehlo sibhekile kodwa singaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani. Just to enlighten i-decision yokuthi senza njani madoda bazalwane senza njani is resting upon the church. Yes. I cannot yabona kukhona into engishilo eqaleni ngathi bazalwane abazalwane sometimes they feel ngathi ngibalekele responsibility uma ngiyibuyisa to the individuals. Yes. Kukhona into sizofika kuyo la bazalwane ekhulunywa uPaul lithi iBhayibheli uma efika edolobheni laseGreece eAthens lithi wahamba wazulazula idolobha bese lithi iBhayibheli umoya wakhe waqhubeka wase waqala washumayela. Manje ngithi ke mangishana nabazalwane ngithi kulezi zinto esizixoxayo idinga umoya womzalwane ukube khona into eba provoked. Yeah. Because it requires a lot of individual decision ngokuphila kwakhe than the collective. Yabona? Because uma sizoyimisa at the collective level iyakubuka sizokwenzisa abantu izinto abangekho delivered kuzo. Yeah. Bese kuba umthetho kanti bekumele umzalwane akhululwe umoya ongcwele ngaphakathi kulezo zinto. uNkulunkulu onamandla wokudeliver umzalwane endweni. Singakhuluma sikhanyise sithi uyakubona lokho kuqhamuka la usuka la. I-decision yakho yokwamukela noku-align. This is my position bazalwane. I've been studying nabazalwane abahlukehlukene as far as KZN and what. It's always been a position that I maintain. Mangikhuluma nabazalwane ngithi it becomes very difficult. You know kuke kwenzeka isimanga. Let me make an example. I think 2 years ago uzwani ngibona ekhaya kufika odadewethu abangadwayela ukuvakashela suwale ngibalande airport sesilapha ngivakashela yena ngilokubeka ukubetheleka ngawani ngathi hey kanti ngenzela i-surprise party. Hey ngasha nendlu ngibuya kwamasha besihlanganise ubaba umhayise nyamazi bazalwane. Ubaba Hlatshwayo. Bamhayise uhlanganise indlu Phoenix yagcwala indlu ngibona. Gcwala indlu. Siqale sifunda nabo le ngibaba lona sifunde nesi lapha nesi sifunda kwajikila njengoba sihlezi nje namhlanje. Basebethayike longi sobiza ibandla buya ngaleya nyanga sokuhlelela ayibahlela ngakuyo gcwalile safunda kwa-10 endlini noba 10 endlini sihlukona asisakhulumisani noma kuwo-ke sileso sikhathi unkosikazi kanti umplenela i-surprise party. Ngifika mina qhaqa sambela ngazi kwenzakalani ngokuphi njani hayi siqoka-ke sibaba ngiyathanda nokuba muhle nami hayi siyahamba mazi mina umcimbi ongakanani bazalwane. Hey umngamo uspende iholo lonyaka hawu sekuba kuhleke sekuba mnandi-ke sekuba njani kwasho sahambe ithombe zofika kwamashi bathi bayibona yini lesibonayo yini lesibonayo ngathola ucingo livela kumhayisa wathi hey khulekani kwenzakalani lapho eGola kwenzenjani baba uthi hey abazali bakhala inyembezi sebetshela imindeni yabo batshela ini wena wenza lento athi batshela yona angizange ngibefunda nje ngizama ukusho yazi kaka kwathi khona lapho sihlezi kuyajatshula khona lapha ke usuku bungaza mina ngempela okumiswenkiwe kwangena belungu angika belungu sefa belungu kwangena belungu bephethe into umlilo ovuthayo nama ngiyanga ukubona yini nakwazi ukudla okuvutha umlilo uvutha umlilo ubekwa umuntu nomuntu ubekwe lo mlilo la yebo ayisanqandeki shutela bashuthi ithombe bazabashuthi ithombe thumela nomlilo ukani badla umlilo la ngifonela ubaba Maphanga athi khulekani kwenzeni into angasi beku umbungane bengibungaza ehlele nawo dadewabo nje bengenzela something manje angithi njoba yena engekho in charge education abelungu benza the paganism way of doing this is how this thing is done bayenza so denta abazalwane emoyeni yabo after so much conviction ukuthi hey kanti lento abantu baphinde bayikhulume bayikhombe baphinde bajike yini kanti kwenziwana kuchithela isikhathi yabona so ngizama ukuthini ke bazalwane ngizama ukuthi si exist within the system and akuna shortcut ingawe ingomkakho ingabantwana bakho ingeculture nge-education system it's surrounded everywhere siphila ngomuzi umuntu nomuntu umndeni nomndeni so singeke ke bazalwane entweni kanjalo sifuna ukufaka a collective agreement njenge-union yabona makuthiwa 3.5 so sign 3.5 everyone take 3.5 it has to be tailored, it has to be accepted by umndeni but sinavigate kulokho izwe likubekayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu sisize siphuma kanjani ezintweni ezifanele so ukukhuluma kwami kulapho bazalwane ekuthenini angeke ngikhulume into ngithi cha njengo lona okuthiwa mabethu madoda sizile ephembayo nabukele uKristu njengoNkosi nomsindisi ngoba kulinye wami so ngaphawula ngime lapho ke bafowethu maqondana nalokho engishoyo mhlawumbe kuba bakuveza angazi noma khona bazalwana ne-input ngibona izandla ezintathu ngisibonile sakho before umkhulu ngicela kuqala ngozwane ngizomndaba ezitha besithe ngo-3 siyaqala so sesizonikeza 10 minutes republic izandla ezintathu khona sizoqeda the next part esele bazalwana besithe ngo-4 kusho ukuthi sengisebenza angaqanjalo sabona khomanda okay baba Zwane
cabanga ukuthi ingxenye yakhona usuyithintile. I was going to say endabeni ukuthi sidlulisa kanjani ke manje ekutheni ikwazi ukumukeleka ukuthi into yokuqala ukuthi lento unfortunately yamakhono njengoba kuyinto yamakhono ikholwa i-definition yekhono esinalo ethi umuntu okholelwa ezwini. So manje uma izwi likhuluma libeka izinto likhanyisa njengoba mfethu esho into esuke siyilindele ukuthi ikholwa liyaqhoba ngaphansi kwethu, okusho ukuthi sekukhona okuningi mhlawumbe okuhamba kushayisane nezinto. Impendulo yethu cishe ilapho ekuthenini ngoba kusho izwi lenkosi ngokusizwa uNkulunkulu bakuNcwangu uyadlulisa okuvela ngezwi lenkosi. Sekufanele ukuthi thina-ke silithathe-ke leli zwi siligwinye noma lishisa, bese sihambe-ke siyokhulekela more than anything ukuthi sekuzwakele inkosi siphe amandla ukuthi sikwazi ukuma kulo leli zwi. Ngoba makukhulunywa nge-system okuyiyona eqhuba lezi zinto, kuyakunikeza umqondo ukuthi kahle kahle akusiyi into umuntu angavela decide kusasa ukuthi hayi angisakwenza ukuthi, ngoba zihamba zilandane zibe yiningi ekugcineni ukuze kufike lapho umuntu aze mhlawumbe afuna ukuthatha i-decision ethi hayi ngoba seziningi kakhulu ngono ngingaqali nokukodwa kuwo, ngoba there's too many things manje. Sekama-birthday, sekama-bouquet, sekuyini ngono vele ngikuyeke konke ukuze ngingazoyifaka kule nkinga. Kanti I think the key thing esiyitholayo lapho ukuthi i-direction uNkulunkulu ayisibizele kuyo from the onset, uma ngilalela kahle, it is to ukuthi lelitshe elahleshula kungesandla lafike laqhoboza, which is to say ukuthi it was meant to break the system. Right? And in order for it to break the system, it means ukuthi abantu abamele ukulifeza lelizwi kufanele kuba abantu abakumisele to oppose i-system. Manje i-system awuyi-oppose ngomqondo, izokushaya ngomqondo i-system. Ngoba manje you are venturing into a spiritual world and you do not fight spiritual battles ngezandla. So ngicabanga ukuthi seyizidonsela lapho, and futhi njengoba sihlangene la ngicabanga ukuthi isinikeza ama-homework. Abanye singobaba, we are leading our households nakho konke lokho, lapho lezi zinto ziyathandwa ziyaqhutshwa njengoba ebeka nje mfethu ukuthi wathi yena esanda kuthula nje into exabanisa abazalwane yavela ngaphakathi ngakuye. So manje almost in opposition to lento uNkulunkulu amthuma ukuthi akahamba ayifundise, i-opposition yakhona ayiveli from outside but it's almost internal. So it says a lot about the importance yokubamba lezi zinto esiyifundayo nanokuthi ukunakisisa esikudinga ukuthi sik-apply kungakanani. Amen.
Mina benithi ngizothishe ukuziqala kakhulu ngokucabangela abantu kuyinkinga. Lapha lento le ekhulunywayo uma ngiyihlola imengonge ngokusi-understanda wena ukuthi ungubani. Yabona nje uma ibandla lisaphila njengezwe lisayifanisa nalelizwe, siwenkulu i-problem ngalesi sifundo. Ngoba lesi sifundo lesi sikhuluma nomKristu wangempela owaziyo ukuthi ngisukile ezweni ngikwelinye izwe. Njengoba echaza uPeter ethi lapha khona thina singuhlanga olukhethile.
Yes.
Lento le ayifuni abesa be-1000 masifuna ukuzabalazela lo mbuso lo, ngoba lento le ngekuphume kulento le uma umuntu walelizwe. I-birthday is nothing, but it's something kubantu balelizwe. Ma umhlukanisa ne-birthday umhlukanisa nento enkulu, umhlukanisa nento enkulu kakhulu. Okay, impilo yakhe yonke. 2, umshado nekhekhe kulelizwe into enkulu. Lenga bisekutheni umuntu nje yena mina mbani nikuphi noKristu. Uyabona ukuqakwe la sibuya mina ngibuya emasontweni la ngiyabona xa umuntu osebandleni full time usebandleni ngegama but impilo ayiphilayo yonke idlula umuntu wesonto. Kunabantu bamasonto abangayikhulumi ngentokolezo le abazokutshela abayenzi be-podcast kufona abanye abantu balapha ithokoza bakhona ithokoza bafonela mina bathi sebehambe wonke lamabantu. One into abayibonile ibandla lemabandla lafana nezwe one akuthwala but angisho kusho umuntu akekho loyo kule one akuthwala one yonke lemicimbi lathi kukhulwa what spirit they are spiritually convicted inkolo bayiletha emadlozini. Wathi uma ufika ebandleni ngeke bayihlabe inkomo uchaza nje lapha hamba khona ukuthi lezweni le yonke into insiphi yakwasha. Manje ngathi ke mina unjani ebandleni hamba ethokoza bahamba abanye baya one day but one day bathi umdlalo yabona batshela abantu umdlalo ukuthi ngisho ayikho laphana ohamba khona ba-1 ba-2 ba-3 bahambe 1 week. Almost 8 manje uzawani laba bantu bavunishe bombi bathi kudlalwa ngabo. Sangiqonda ukuthi ke ngokubhemi nje bafowethu le ndaba oyikhuluma ngayo is 100% ukuthi uma Kristu angempela le ayina question ayina sikhwehlela ayina lutho but inesikhwehlela uma thina siyibandla esixube nezwe iyabinda ke yanda nda
baba uMncwane
yabazo
ngicabanga ukuthi kuleya indaba ethi intoba ujaji kukhona la owakhuluma khona ukuthi bekuthi ma ukuthi inkosi uma bekade beyolwa baxoshwa bese beyibutha konke bayinakho la usuveza-ke le ethi wahamba isikhathi lani masebeshubile kuthiwa ayiphilani nje kodwa kulethe lezi zinto zizophila khona la ngicabanga ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe nakuye umzalwane kungaba nje inkululeko engekho futhi inkululeko uma ezodluleli iflawa leli nakuthi lo kodwa libe lisuka lapha ebazini.
I see the hand there. Ngicela Dale Phamsuba. Oh yes,
Amen. Bonge Nkosi. Oqala nje qale bonge nje nje sesifundo sinamandla kakhulu. Khona nje into izwi lapha kuJeremiah kukade 7 verse 17 ukuya ku-19. So 19 kufika ihlasela inhliziyo yami ayinetha iqine. So ngokwezinto ezenziwayo end of the birthday nakuma-graduations naxa kuphela unyaka fumaniseke abantu kwimililo ebaswayo. So fumaniseke ukuthi hayi ndiyabraya mna nosapho lwami sigqiba unyaka sibonga uThixo esigcinile. Kodwa fumaniseke into yoba sinayo into ezitshoyo omnye asuke endlini esuke siye elwandle eceleni kolwandle ayoba simlilo khona eyobraya khona. Kodwa ngokwale ndlela ndiva ngayo apha inayo into eyithilayo ukuthi ezi zinto ngapha kwazo ikhona inkolo okanye inkonzo ethile eyenziwayo njengale nto ukuthi umntwana uma kuyi-birthday yakhe fumaniseke into yobana kuzawuthatha ucream khona into ithethile ngocream uzawuthatha ucream lapha akhatyona kube sikubekwe namakhandlela ngapho kuthiwa-ke yiphi ibhule avuthele siyithatha nje kancinci bathi as ukuthi ndiva uyibeka kule ndawo inento enkulu eyenzayo apha enhliziyweni yami. So iphendulile-ke uma sithini so uye wayiphendula ngifile uphendula la ukuthi so ibiza kumuntu oyedwa isiyona ukuthi mhlawumbe beke into yabantu bonke kodwa ngicinga ukuthi injongo yaso sisifundo ifuna yokusikhupha eBhabheloni nezinto zaseBhabheloni wenzela ukuthi nanjengabantu bombuso kaKristu sikwazi ukuchoboza umbuso lo kodwa uma ngaba zikhona izinto ezisengakuthi ngeke sibe namandla wokuba singawuchoboza wona lo mbuso lo esiya kuwo okanye lo sibhekene naye opposition. So now umbuzo wami mina bezawubuza ukuthi ingaba ke ngoku kuyothwani kodwa usofikile kulowo bawuphendula kuyothwani ke ngoba naku uNkulunkulu sesizini oziveza ezinto for example amakhekhe emtshadweni izinto ezibakhona abekhona bepha kuzawuthwani bathoma uyeka asiyonto ifanele umuntu oba kwindawo nendawo nje ibandla lonke nje lazi stand sana ungathiwa imali yethu ibandla malibedikidiki nje bewoma bengilona lo decision yakhe so bengithi nje angivele nje apho
ngiyabonga bakuveza le ndaba. I think if ulandela ukukhuluma konke sixoxayo I indicated ukuthi the tactician esilwa nayo i-create ama-systems so that whether you are escaping when individually but your wife might be caught or abantwana bakho might be caught. So we need also to have a systematic way of living that protects us all.
Yes.
Uyazibazana ngikhulume nje into elulana. Kuke kwathi kulotsholwa somewhere nami ngikhona. Kwaba nempikiswano. Wafika indaba ukuthi uqala lokukhishwa kwenkomo, ngithi inkomo zakho. Kuthiwa ke inkomo kanina. Yeah. Ukudiscussa lo nto bazalwane, it's so demeaning. Uzoyibuze umbuzo ukuthi esikhona kodwa isidingo sokuthi besinakhuluma ngale nto ukuthi phela lo mntwana usele wathi umntwana. So izophuma kanjani inkomo kanina? Ngikhuluma isiZulu sinto esisikhulumayo. Ngoba inkomo kanina iphuma intombi mayiyitshintshi. Uyasibona singene lapha. Gaqale khaqqa. Kudiscusswe i-privacy kanina wengane ngengane.
Inkomo enkulu.
Right, so izinto ama-discussions then ngithi bazalwane uNkulunkulu made it so deliberate that ukhuluma ngokuthi sizophilisana kanjani nemali, sizobolekana kanjani ngemali, sizotrade kanjani, sizo-establisha kanjani ama-relationships, inhloso kwawukuthi acreate ama-systems that protect us. Kuze kuphume nomuthi no ningaganiselani nabezizwe. It's not about ukuganiselana nabezizwe as if they are less of human. No, nabo abantwana bakaNkulunkulu, abantu bakaNkulunkulu, put that way. But uNkulunkulu is concerned of the crossbreeding. Yezinto azifundisa abantu. Ne? Because kusanezinto abasayibambile bona abangakafuni ukuhlukana nazo. Awuzothi uma ungena kubo beze nazo esedilivile wena kuzo. Phinde iqale phansi second. So that's the part where he's talking about it. How would it help us as an individual taking decisions? And I'm happy bazalwane ukuthi sikhuluma nempunga zebandla.
Yes.
Abantu abathatha decisions nababonisana abafaka imbono ngedirection yebandla. We're gonna have a discussion. I'm hoping ukuthi sizoyibuka lezi zinto ukuthi sigaxe size sifike yazi bazalwane makukhulunywa ngezinto ezibamba umuntu zintathu. Ukuzala kwakhe, ukuphila kwakhe esezelwe, nokufa. lezi zinto yila othola khona amakhadi rituals ngendlela ecabukwenza. Uyabona la ekufeni akekho ophunyukayo lapho ku-Egyptian mythology. Mhlawumbe ubonile mangifla amalolo lapha. Kukhona uNkulunkulu wayihlupha inhliziyo yabazalwane. I had to research this thing ukuthi sifike kanjani khona la kufika khona senza yonke lemkhuba yamakhosi aseGibhithe enza konkulunkulu babo ukungcwaba ngandlela okungcwaba namhlanje. So ziningi izinto esikhona sokufika ngelinye namhlanje uNkulunkulu usenzele isikhathi sizibone ukuthi ayikho into evele yavela bafundi. I'm talking from the point umuntu efa ekhishwa ingaphakathi la. Asuka ayokomiswa omiswe agqokiswa fabwe boxing coffin. Isho ukuthini yona lo nto? Uyabona? Uma selona kufakwa imbali ethuneni ezinye ibekwa ngaphezulu. Isho ukuthini lo nto? Ukhuluma kompristi phezulu kwethuna. Hayi isho ukuthini lo nto? So zonke lezi zinto
wenza njani lapha ekhulwini?
So uyabona ukuthi i-systematic kanjani from ekuzalweni kwakho ekuphileni kwakho nasekufeni. Isitha sidwekwe isekela. So ake silona ke bazalwane ngicabanga ukhona umzalwane engivale siyami nasathatha umzalwane
So, Amazi, because my question goes back to the same thing you to Amazi in terms of saying, how can you ensure that it's like to go freedom, like, because I feel like if you can be freed from the practices of the cult, and it happens that you're not yet free from the family things, you still go back to the system. And if it happens that you get deliverance from the relative sector, but the father's house still is an issue, you still go back to the system. So I'm asking if you can drive how can you make sure that you are freely out of the system in those three sectors?
So we are going to isibuyisela part 1. But let me say in the best way you can that question elaborated because in a nutshell to address those three things kukhona into I was sharing nabazalwane a week ago, 2 weeks ago ePretoria ngithi lithi iBhayibheli the first time the igama elithi Hebrew mentioned kuthiwa uAbraham umHebrew. I forgot the but it's there part 1. Lithi uAbraham umHebrew. Bese lithi uma usetha leli gama lithi why ebizwa ngomHebrew kuthiwa because he crossed the river. And the spiritual symbol lithi ngesHebrew ivri, ne? Ivri meaning to cross over. So the crossover is the crossover to three things. The river is the symbolical, spiritual symbolism of living with those things. That's why he was a Hebrew. Hebrew did not mean without a land. Because later on, no. From its inception, was a igama elithi Hebrew lalisho umuntu ocrossile over and left. The three things. So now then we can ask a very hard question. Sesimamukele uKristu sikhosile yini over uma ethi uKristu niyisango, uma singena sashiya
Yes.
lapha esangweni,
Yeah. Yeah.
noma singene nakho kuwe sisindelana sangena khona esangweni osekusihlaka endleleni masizama. So it's never too late
Yes.
to reflect
Yeah.
and look at ourselves in the mirror and say, lokhu kwakumele kusale ngaphesheya kwesaba.
Yeah.
Nalokhu kwakumele kusale ngaphesheya kwesaba.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's, I'm not sure, maybe ngikhuluma in Miyongo Zoom, but yes, ngizama ukuchaza ke bazalwane ukuthi mhlambe as umbuzo uthi manje madoda bazalwane senza njani.
Yeah. Yeah.
There has to be something ezoveza ukuthi abazalwane bawelele ngaphesheya and find shelter and a safe space. But what is happening in the world where we find ourselves? Yabona kunento enokukhulunywa wobo baba kuthiwa insizwa musani ukuphuma insizwa ngeke nazi zigcwele ngapha bazogana. Musuphuma thatha intombi ngale ngaphela engakholwa ngakholwa.
Yeah.
Uthi wena phela unyamthanda.
Yeah.
Angithi bazalwane.
Yeah.
Futhi vele uyamthanda.
Yes.
Kodwa yazini ukuthi njengoSolomon owashadwa amakhosikazi awu700 elithi iBhayibheli lithi ngokukhathala ngokuhamba kweminyaka.
Yeah.
Uyabona abantu besifazane bapatient mfowethu. Kuneyikhathi la osangabona kumshaya phansi unyawo ulalele.
Yeah.
Kodwa khona isikhathi lapho uzosiwa nalawo mathanda khona sizokufikela. So uma sikufikela sekudepend ukuthi the time usanamandla, what did you establish?
Yeah.
On systems
Yes.
to protect lapho phela khona.
Yeah.
This sitting is very spiritual, symbolic, because it speaks to the heads of the families,
Yeah.
the future leaders
Yeah.
of this church and the community at large.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that's very, it's very symbolic.
Yeah.
So ke ngicabanga ukuthi ke bazalwane we can talk. Uyayibona i-subject is very pregnant. Dinga more time on this card. I'm so happy with him. How you so nice. Nangihlezi lapha.
Yeah.
Ngiyasithelela bafowethu. Ubaba lokhana ngiyasithelela kwamngoma ukuthi sokusibanda amathuba afana nala. Because in the past these guys were always left behind. Sometimes uhambe impulo.
Yeah.
That they are the next fathers.
Yeah.
And the time to talk to them before that time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So they know what in their household, how they manage it, spiritual, and lead it. So I'm happy. This is, like I said, I feel, I feel blessed to see this day. We are moving in a direction where there's going to be no generational gap. You know, if you talk about something, Bazalwane, we said is a generational gap.
Yes.
Oh, Baba, bafike bagijime bemazi uNkulunkulu bemfundile ulwazi lwabo oluningi.
Okay. Yeah.
Makufika kithi qale phansi. Basically kwenzekani njengo Israel rounder intaba. Bengaboni ukuthi bajikajika nawo for many years.
Yeah.
So siyabonga kabazalwane angazi noma can I take another hand or should I proceed bazalwane in the interest of time. Angimthatha umzamo wokugcina.
Ngoba ngizwile ithokoza yokuthi unetshela kusho inhloso ukuthi lithokoze ikhaya lesithombe ukuthi crash the system because you must be a prophet like siyaphetha ukuthi iy'thombe nezilo akusilo mhlawumbe lokuphuma ibhiski namakhanda awusele kodwa it is the systems and i-prophecy isobala ukuthi the only entity eyokwehlula i-system ekugcineni kwakho konke ibandla ayikho ama-politicians will rise and do what try to propose but they will be crushed. It's a business problem. So ukuthi angazi ukuthi i-presentation yabo mhlawumbe ingafinyelela kulokho ukuthi njengoba sikhishwa kuma-celebrations a-system. It's not like mhlawumbe we-limited but it's to rebel ama-celebrations system kodwa inhloso yakho konke ukuthi thina kahle kahle entity kaNkulunkulu emelene ne-system not only ngama-celebrations but nakho konke emuva ukuthi i-reason why uJesu kuqala azingelwa i-system ibandla lokuqala lazingelwa i-system. It is because it's not because of babenenkolo ethile. I-system kahle kahle nje mawuqala i-presentation yakho i-system inhloso yayo is inclusiveness yey'nkolo zonke ukuthi sibe ngabunaliyethi bengakhulu uma inkolo i-lenient noma i-part of the system noma inge-threat of the system alikho ibandla lokho bazana angazi weyokucaca ukuthi ayikho i-system eyosizingela siyi-part of it noma singazi sithi ibandla liyozingela ayikho i-system eyosizingela siyi-part of it ibandla lazingelwa ngenxa yokuthi layi-threat to the system. I think i-presentation yakho uma ingafikelela kuleyo ngxoxo uzosiza ukuthi kungabi ngathi mhlawumbe imithetho kuthiwa ninga-celebrate ukuthi kahle kahle kucace ukuthi i-rebellion ngenxa
ufuna ukulondozana ukuthi
Another 2 minutes, 1 minute.
I think the most important aspect bazalwane yale teaching is not so that babumncamo eloko emina eyibutha zonke izinto ngicabanga ukuthi into ayishilo uthe yena uyalondozana angazi ligama elisebenzisile uyakhanyisa kanti umsebenzi wokukhanyisa ukuthi bonke bavuleka amehlo babone and therefore nabo ba-recognize ingxenye ekufanele ukuthi bayi-contribute as well. So ngikusholo lokho ukususa the pressure ethi njengoba emile uyena ekufanele ukuthi ayiqoqe zonke aze ayihlanganise zonke kanti umsebenzi wakhe njengoba imina ukutriggerisha lezi zinto kuthina sonke njengoba sihlezi la ukuthi le nkundla mayilokhu eqhubeka ihambe izithinte zonke izinto noma ingasaqhubeki nangaye makudingekile iqhubeke ngayo kodwa nabo bonke abayabazalwane babe nesandla ekutheni
No. Ngabe ngisathini futhi noma ngisathini.
Asisitshona isikhathi futhi sibuye.
Okay, siyabonga ke bazalwane. That was a very fruitful engagement. So we said from eqaleni bazalwane sathi lokho esikhulumayo bazalwane kulethwa ukuxoxa mhlambe abazalwane abangathatha mhlambe nawo ube nesikhathi nawo because that's a culture that we inculcating ukuthi wonke umzalwane sizifundise ukuthi lithini iBhayibheli babe bakhe abazalwane baseBhayibheli ngoba babezamukela bese masebeza ukwamukela bazalwane akusho ukuthi uyavumelana. It's a decorum. safe decorum yokufunda ukuthi uma umzalwane lethi into seyemukele
Yeah.
bese siyihlola ukuthi njalo yini.
Yeah.
Mase sihlolele then we give feedback. Uyabona? So we want just to establish that, and I'm happy Zwana uveza indaba yokuthi ngithe ngenza disclaimer ngathi ingxenye. So uma iprovoke something kumzalwane ngiyajabula ukuthi umzalwane uzo yenkosini, inkosi yambule more.
Yeah.
Ibhebhetheke le ndaba igcwala umhlaba. Neza bazalwane.
Yeah.
This is not a one show man who wants to uyabona ngimlapha nje uyabona manje ukuthi uyabona manje. This is totally different kind of a space bazalwane. Sisetshenziswa njengesitsha okwesikhashana. Bese lapha ke bazalwane ngicela sibuye isikhathi sami sithi half past. Kusho ngizocela ngiphe lo 30 minutes wami. Odlekile bazalwane first thing. That's true. Zozwa ngani ngizozwa ngani ukuthi bese lapha ke bazalwane kumaGalatia kusho ukuthi la ibandla selidlulile zenzweni liyasabalala gcwala umhlaba wonke kuyashunyayelwa bazalwane usekhuluma le ndaba ke lo mzana uthi ke uverse 8 formerly when you did not know God you were slaves to those who by nature are not gods. Yabona lento uzubone bazalwane ngendlela usathane as enslave ngalo singanakile. Uhlanganisa imizwa yokubalekile nomuntu. Khona ugcina ungakwazi ukucelebrate lokho kubalekile in exclusion kokubaleka. Okay? Uzohlanganisa usuku lokuzalwa kwakho libalekile afaka iculty phakathi. Ukuze ungakwazi ukucelebrate noma ubungaze umfowenu noma umamakho in exclusion of cult. Kube khona isituation ezothi ingane yami ingashada kanjani ihamba kanjani ngayiphethe ebukheni.
Yeah.
Ingane yami kwakumshado omuni lona njengobaba osuke ekhuluma ekhaya uyabona nje ubaba okhula le emakhaya azalwa nabe oyisebenza indlela athi ngiyanizwa ukuthi ngiyasona kodwa lapha ekhaya kwami ingane ayiphumi ngokuthibula ngemini.
Yes. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And umthetho wa ngeke futhi ngeke iyophuma iphethe isinqindi ifaka inyongo lapho uqhosini.
Yeah.
Ngeke umthetho wakhona ungabaquza ukuthi ngeke ngamane kuyeke caca ngempela ukuthi awenzeki lo mshado.
Yeah.
Bese kuza ukuthi uyithanda ngempela lo muntu yazi le.
Yeah.
Sekumele umukele nemikhuba yakho ukuthi kuyolunga. So ngizama ukuthi ke bazalwane that's a tactician esilwa nayo ihlanganisa izinto ezibalekile. Uyabona to have a closure nomuntu oshonile isihlobo sakhe kungazi ukuthi you must pay respect no here are the flowers. Uyabona hambo uphosa phakathi ama-flowers lelo siko lelo lihlangane ne-emotional closure kokuthi ube uvale angazi kuthiwa yini ichazwana kwasekholo leyo nto leyo ukuba nesimo la ovala khona ikhethini ukuthi wemukele. So manje kumele unikezwe ama-flowers ufake kanti nama-flowers asho ukuthile wena wazi. So yizinto lezo sikhuluma ngazo ke bazalwane ukuthi isitha sisenze lo nto leyo ukusho ukuthi ke to unpack that we have to be deliberate and help the church systematically. Uyazi bazalwane ibandla ke kwashona umuntu ebandleni. Fortunately ibandla lokuqala lengcwele. Nakukhumbula bazalwane nakho ulona Adeo 10 awadayisa umhlaba Ananias ne maye kuya kwaziwa kanjani kwawo wawa phansi kwenzela kwabizwa insizwa I'm not saying it must be exactly that But I wonder, was that the way? Bekwenziwa kanjalo at the time? Or was it a deliberate decision they took to do it that way? So, there are so many things, there are so many people who have to be bussed into the cemeteries. Abantu bangakhona ngisho ukungena kuzongcwatshwa. After kube ne-memorial service, everyone wakhuluma ubusuku bonke.
Yeah.
And you ask yourself, does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's a culture that has been set. Othi mawuhlala ibuka kahle ukuthi manje singoba sizidudulana kuze qala kuze kwenziwe ishedule yongena emathuneni. Just because sekugcwele abantu yazi to tell you the truth guys. Mangiya emangcwabeni ngize ngiphathe ama-overall, yabona? Ngiphathe ama-overall. Ngoba sike so shy for sure. I understand insizwa nomndeni. But I'm a spectators. To the point ukuthi siyadudulana manje akusekho na parking, amabhasi azongena emathuneni. And lawo mabhasi ngiyakutshela ukuthi ngeke azaphela as long as the system remains, because uma sisingena in Egyptian mythology uzowabona amabhasi ukuthi awawona namhlanje. They use ships in Egypt to cross the river Nile for the burial of someone very important. Today we use buses. So it's spiritually informed to get into those practices that we think these are the things we just khuluma ngazo namhlanje. But again, asibuyele lapha ke. Formerly, when you did not know God, you were slaves to those who by nature are not gods. But now that you know God, rather are known by God, how is it that you are turning back to those weak and miserable forces? So lezi zinto bazalwane zisenza sibe zigqila. Uyazi isigqila usefa ngisho ungatha. Uboshiwe. Do you wish to be enslaved by them all over again? You are observing special days and months and seasons and years. We're going to unpack these three just now. The special days. What are these special days? The special months and seasons and years. I fear for you that somehow I have wasted my efforts on you. Do you feel that discouragement? Sengishumayele angama to. Libambekile ibandla. Uyabona into uma senze research sibuka ukuthi babenzani abazalwane. Uma siya kubazalwane ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalomkhosi. Bona kahle. But again, it's fine. Uma uzwa ama-Greek bazalwane abuse umhlaba almost in an ancient time, maybe 60 parts of Europe was under Greece. The way they were so powerful in the corner. And one of the festivals are Neverland. If festive. Niazi festive. Festive. I come indala. Iqhamuka uNkulunkulu ekuthiwa Dionysius. iDionysius is Thixo. uNkulunkulu kuthiwa uNkulunkulu wama-grapes. uNkulunkulu wewayini. Kusho ukuthi uma kusetshenziswa Dionysius is a god of grape harvest, wine making and wine of racial madness. It's a racial madness. Fertility, theater, religious ecstasy, ancient Greek religion and myth. So, laba bantu ngesikhathi se-Dionysius festival kudakwa neshingane, kudakwa islave, kudakwa wonke umuntu. Usu isizini yokudaka. First, idanasiwe lama-Greek. Ama-Greek uzozo masifika la athi uPaul nidakwelwani yiwayini, but don't be at debauchery, but be filled with the Spirit. Ekuza idanasiwe lingene ebandleni. Manje inkinga yedanasiwe abazalwane babekholwa unyaka nje uthi awuyophela. Manje lafika idansi lihambe lebanga. One, it's entertainment.
Yeah.
It's free food, free booze, free sex.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a racial madness. There'll be free sex on the streets. It depends. It's a socially acceptable.
Yeah.
Kudakwa ingane, kudakwa islave, kudakwa wonke umuntu. It's the first thing. Yet that is Response is still. Just response erotic. Indoda ngathi nenkomishi. Uzobona masifika la athi uPaul ebhalela abazabe seKorinte athi inanhlanganelo yini inkomishi, the cup of the idols and the cup of the last supper, the cup of the Lord. Bahlanganisa inkomishi embili engahlangani. Phakathi ebandleni. Libabambile idanasiwe. Linamandla, liqhamuka nge-entertainment, free food, free everything. Kucaca ukuthi uyabona ma ungekho emnyango, you are lost. Because now it's system. Uphathise le ritual iholwa amakhosi esikhathi. Uzobona masingena in the details la kuthiwa khona ukuthi the part of the secret ritual, the wife of the king will mate nesithixo esithile in a formulation of the covenant and union. Secret rituals of madness. Nebandla likhona.
Yeah.
Ihlukene kabili idanasiwe. There's a rural danasi. Danasios. I-rural danasiwe benziwa abantu baseyindaweni ezisemakhaya. I-rural danasiwe lenziwa ngespring. Lithi umlando uthi the peasants and shepherds would dress in animal skin and pretend that they were satyrs, kushuti one of the class of lustful, drunken, wooden gods, woodland gods. So the bazogqoka imvunulo ehlobo. Ngedanasiwe. Uma idanasiwe. The spring ritual in honor of Dionysius include a procession into the fields led by maiden carrying fossils and followed by a farmer, his wife and his daughters, all of them singing powder songs. Now, do you see this thing? It's a spring ritual. Ukogama Beshu is a spring rituals of the Dionysius. The smartness of the pagans. Uma befika sigqoka Beshu but nah. But city Shaka's Day, but nah, Shaka's Day. Heritage to be inclusive.
Okay.
Sibamba sitha uhlangana so. Ingcebo igqoma Beshu zenkonzo. How international part enkonzweni. Good one, be proud. The heritage, be proud of who you are and where we come from, and we thank the Lord. And akusekho nento esho.
Hey, bakithi.
Akusekho nento evukayo ukuthi ayikhona. Akukho vesi kodwa.
Angizwa kahle. Yeah.
Hawu bazalwane. Bese kuthi LSP idanasiwe. Ihlukana ukuthi there's a rural danasiwe and there's a city danasiwe. Libize kuthiwa stereo. Ne? Idanasiwe lasemadolobheni. Lapho ke kwakusuka abantu indawo ngeendawo. Bese la eGreece, the capital Athens. Lapho ke kwi-city danasiwe. The city Dionysios, it's a great Dionysius, also called City Dionysia, Asian dramatic festival in which tragedy, comedy, scenic drama originated, held in Athens in March in honor of Dionysius, god of wine. So, in all these things, Bazalwane, there will be entertainment, there will be poetry, there's what, there's fashion, there's everyone will congregate, travel in all parts, who will celebrate the dolopeni Athens. Lapho abu sexual orgies, everything mama.
So,
Asikho isikhathi esinemali njenge festive season.
yeah.
Is flowing on the streets. It's a season of Dionysius. The festivals were attended by all Athenian citizens, likely women as well as men, and the visitors from throughout Greece. In a tragic competition, each of 3 tragic poets wrote, produced, probably acted in 3 tragedies and a single theme. Each poet also presented a sacred play which treated some heroic subject in brisk fashion. Judges chosen by a lord awarded prizes to the poet in comedy, introducing 4, 6, 5 poets competed for the prize, blah, 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 blah. The festive, the history of the festive. Now, can I go back a little bit? I wanted to show you something, Uguti. Idanasiwe lasted from Maimacterium to Gamalion. This is a Gregorian calendar. Calendar yama-Greek yokuqala abayenza benza ikhathi. Bezama ukushape ikhathi benikeza inyanga. Probably started from November, roughly mid-November to mid-February. Which season is this? Yeah, but I'm just saying, even in our times, check what happened in our time. During this time, it's a festive season. So, now, I'm just going to forward because of time as well. So, these things, when umuso ufigutata, who analyze the culture of the land, there was no way they would stop such an economic boom. An operator in a city, but it shut down or by incorporate. Just to make sure the activities they Alright, I think I've just said something like this. Yeah. So this was happening. It's just to explain ukuthi bebenza njani mabeqala umkhosi wabo uphulwa inkomishi le, they would break a jar what ngosuku lesibili benze njani benze lonke lama ceremony abo I just like the part I think I've already highlighted with part of the ceremony, the wife of the king actually went through the ceremony of a marriage to Dionysius. So this was one of the cards as a celebration. In the end, a cult practice, but as part of the celebration, in South Africa, there's a restriction on selling of booze to children. But during this season, it's uncontrollable. The way utshwala obuningi nakhona emphakathini, because abantu babustoka in huge numbers utshwala, and utshwala buba semphakathini for consumption of everyone who's willing to consume. So this calendar, Gregorian calendar, I wanted to show. We wanna put between which month my material, it's November, December. That's the time these festivities from, and they stay in the test of time from that time to the very moment last year. Perhaps Axelona. Idenosia la Magrini. But say we festive. But we just call it festive without the dances. So, Paul figure Athens. Listen to what happens here. Chapter 17, 16 to 34. Now, while Paul was waiting for them at Athens, his spirit was provoked within him as he saw that the city was full of idols. Right? So, Paul walked around the city, Athens, then, so he reasoned with the synagogue, in the synagogue with the Jews and the devoted person in the marketplace every day with those who happened to be there. Some of Epicurean and Stoic philosophers also conversed with him. And some said, what does this babbler wish to say? Others said he seemed to be a preacher of the foreign divinities because he was preaching Jesus and the resurrection. They took him and brought him to the Areopagus, saying, may we know that this new teaching is that you are presenting, for you are bringing some of the strange things to our ears. So, in short, Upon mefike Athens, around the Ezoshmael, around the Dolopa, Abone, Itito, his spirit was provoked. This is a New Testament, this is a new church, this is a new church dispensation. We've been moving with this topic from Old Testament. And God has been saying one thing. In the time of the first church, he was talking to those that were conscious enough to speak about these things. These ones. The Dionysius. During Paul's time, it was Dionysius of the Greeks and the Pechalia of the Romans. Because Amaroma attate from the Greeks and Nigezika village. That is a Pechalia. So now, my point, it raises a question, Tina, we can sit here and debate amongst ourselves. Akusekho nento ethunukayo nje ngaphakathi kwakho ukuthi lento yenzayo ikhumbuza ukuthi khona kumele kodwa lento yenze kungekho verse. Uyabona laba zabana, this interaction nazo kuthiwa kuvulwa iBhayibheli. There was no Bible at the time, there was scrolls and everything. There was no scrolls. Spirit driven.
Yeah.
No scrolls, no ukuthi bazalwane uJohn chapter verse yes. Hallelujah bazalwane. No, the Spirit leading.
Yeah.
Message directly from God as He expressed ngokupha amazwi emlonyeni.
Yes. Yeah.
Dilika amathempeli nama-altare. Funa leli gama, yalibona leli gama? Yalibona leli gama leli? Oreopagus, igama lesiGreece. He was reasoning with izazimthetho nekhansela. He was not sitting there just. I didn't know Paul umuntu womthetho nebazalwane.
Yeah.
Paul was a law student. Khona la achaza khona athi I graduated in a Gamaliel school and what, you know. This sitting, he was reasoning with the learned in a today's language. You know, bekhuluma amongst themselves, the lawyers. But the learned, our learned friend. Yeah. That's how they refer themselves. They see themselves as an exclusive group. Yes. So he was listening. You see, he's sitting with the philosophers, people who knows, but yinto ikhulumayo ezwakala iyinto endlebeni zethu asikaze sizwe. Angena umntana kaNkulunkulu lapha. Ungena ne-law, but ye rebellion of the system. Ungena ne-law, but kune-rebellion yombuso. Yokubuyisa bonke abahlukile. Okay, I just wanted to show. Okay, so Acts chapter 17. Manje ngifuna ubone ke lapha zabani ukuthi Paul bashumayeza abantu besezintweni. Abantu baphenduka, abantu belandela idenosiyo. Bephila kuidenisiyo. Bashumayela kwaphenduka abantu. Yabona mufunda yonke le ndaba bazalwane. Ngithande la egcineni kwala. Ethi uverse 32 wakhona. Yabona 22 to 32. Athi now when they heard of the resurrection of the dead, some mocked, but others said, we will hear again about this. So Paul went out from their midst, and some men joined him and believed, amongst whom were also Dionysius, the Areopagite, and a woman named Damaris, and others with them. Bakhol. Ilando ngavulwe verse inspired by Holy Spirit. Ashumayela Paul. Paul. Ashumayela Paul kwaphenduka abazalwane beDamascus. Sekuya lapho ke bazalwane ukuthi khumbula ifestival ngile lapho Paul athi niba yiqhila kanjani lezinto nemoya of those forces. Senikhululiwe niphinde nibeze igqiya leDamascus. Never you see this thing. Oh, I mixed this one. It's Paul who's speaking here. So, verse 23, as pass along, observe the object of your worship. I found also an altar with this inscription, to the unknown God. What therefore worship as unknown, this I proclaim to you. UPaul ufike nje wabona ialtare la kuthiwa leli kaNkulunkulu ongaziwa. Wangena lapho washumayela ngoNkulunkulu ongaziwa. Lithi iBhayibheli abanye baxake ukuthi yini lekhulumayo. Kodwa bese lithi lapha egcineni kukhona abakholwa. Bamlandela. Galatians. I just already spoke about this one where Paul is asked, Nibuyela kanjani? nibuyela kanjani observing special days and months and seasons and years. I fear for you that somehow I must have wasted efforts on you. Now, so niyabona ke I was so happy ngesikhathi kwenziwa i-Bright Day. Yabona i-Bright Day shouting for the first time. We got something that is very close to what it is in the actual sense. Lapha Loftus bavele babiza umphakathi babawa ama-Bright stand around the stadium. Everyone came in pride. But yeah, that's where this thing belongs. It belongs to the street celebrations. And the pagans are coming, they're becoming comfortable as time progresses. And it's getting closer what it is actually. What heritage has to do with the bride? Does that make sense? What heritage has to do with Nashintwa Ishaga's day to a bride day? Okale ubani inkosi le ngabanga inkosi. Umkhosi welembe lona, umkhosi welembe umkhosi wokuzila. Siphambanisa idwaba. Oh mama, yenzwa. We pray day, so we pray day.
Yeah.
It was intended like that from the inception.
Yeah.
The authorities of the time, those who are governing the land,
Yeah.
they don't remove what you're doing. They just align what you're doing to what. But no. The spring celebration, Yama Peshu, but no, it's heritage. And we'll be so misled to the point that that thing gets into the church.
Yeah.
It makes itself to the pulpit.
Yeah.
What a blasphemy. 1 Corinthians chapter 8. Now concerning the food offered to the idols, we know that all of us possess knowledge. This knowledge puffs up, but the love builds. If anyone imagines that he knows something he does not know yet, nor as he ought to know. But if anyone loves God, he is known by God. Therefore, so as to eating of the food offered to the idols, we know that idols has no existence, and there is no God but one. For although there may be so-called gods in heaven or earth, as indeed there are many gods and many lords, yet for us there is one God, the Father, for whom all things, for whom we exist, and the one Lord, Jesus Christ, therefore whom all things, whom we exist. I'm going to this part. Where now Paul was talking in general, well, in that chapter 8, talking in general, ezama ukuveza ukuthi ekhipha abantu ezintweni and all practices. Hey, Puma, there's only one God. This polytheism that is corrupting you guys, and you are celebrating these seasons and times and days. You are meant to celebrate only one. These things, they mean nothing. And the food that but listen to this. Chapter 10, verse 21, 1 Corinthians. You cannot drink the cup of the Lord and the cup of the demons. Do you see what he did there? He no longer even called it the cup of Dionysius. He said the demons. Because now he calls it for what it is. It's not just the cup of the deity. Thomas said, great harvest. Hey, is the cup of the demons. Lokho kudla okuchithelela ngaka namuthi Angithi masikhuluma ngalento bazana kube ngazuthi uma khulunywa every time abazana bekhuluma ngalento kukhulunywa ngazuthi makuhlatshiwe ekhaya kunomsebenzi. Ngisho mina umngane wakhe kubiza ngahlabile athi wase sizoba nedina during a festive season in celebration of akunambuzo ehlatshiwe yonke into imhlobo kodwa kunamademoni inspired by this practice. Akunambuzo ehlatshiwe lapho, but everything is spiritually informed. Spiritual symbolism. You cannot drink a cup of the Lord and a cup of demons. You cannot partake in the table of the Lord and the table of demons. That says, "Skhulele kulo ngangena ngaphakathi." Ungacabanga ukuthi kulwa umzalwane kanti sekulwa lona lekhelo phakathi. Uzwimpi njengala amadoda akhuluma athi ngeke sikwenze. Sabuzwa khona. The spirit inside. That's because it's a spiritual symbolism. Abuliyena kulezinto akwamele sishiye masingena esangweni. Sahamba naso. Manje kuthiwa yikho siyasikhubana. Sakhona ukuhamba kahle endleleni. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 18. Do not get drunk with the wine. Now you know the wine. Akhulunyane newine leli lase tops. Leli ele spiritual symbolism. Ilele la gweli itradi. Ngesikhathi. Sentana si. Kusho ukuthi kungenzeka kungabi yilo iwayini kodwa kube isikhathi so drink nje omningi. Nesikhathi sokuba generous sokuphiwa nje unguphiwa sidoza sodla ngapha kuzwana hayi silu December. Siyadla silu December kufana nomuntu ohlaba imbuzi emnya wayichela bahlaba ufake iphansi bathi usalapha ngeke uzofa. Yeah. Awuncane ukuthi ukudla kwesisu kulokhusa. Yeah, so the spiritual symbolism. So it means food is not food. Yeah. Drink is not drink. Yeah. It is symbol of sin. So, ngithanda la umzala nomeyalo uyamuzwa ukuthi but be filled with the spirit. Yeah. Twaliswani ngomoya. Ngoba kunezinto ezingabhalwanga ngamavesi ezingeke sifike njengoba sikhuluma isifundo la sizama ukunpack but uMongcwele ukhuluma njengoPaul lingekho iBhayibheli ese-Athens athi ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoNkulunkulu angaziwa kule la uNkulunkulu ngasi amaBhayibheli lapho kuhlakani kwaNkulunkulu kicking in shumela into kaNkulunkulu kuphenduke izazi imthetho landela bekukhona lo uNkulunkulu kaGreece bazalwane lo manje Artemis ayo Artemis ukuvala manje in the interest of time u-Artemis lo ngifuna